will support the power of the fan until the steam turbine is fully operated. Hello everyone, this is Dr. Lin. Today we will talk about the C&I BESS system. So today, in our case, is our BESS cooperates with a steam turbine power generator. So today we are talk about how this works. So in the first image is our operation timeline in 1 day. So in this image, the green part is our battery working status. Like this is the release power, and here is charging. And the red line is the working status for steam turbine. So in the beginning, is very early of day. Our BMS will take the load from the leading area. So it's here. And in the morning, like 9 o'clock, the factory will gradually start to work. And in the beginning, we will launch the steam turbine generator. So before that, we have to open the fan to increase the pressure of the steam. So like here, the blue dot, which is our load, will gradually going up, and this status will take like 2 hours. So in 2 hours, our battery will support the power of the fan until the steam turbine is fully operated. And once the steam turbine operates, the load will be taken from the steam turbine, and the extra power, which is this part, will be charged our battery. And during all the operation time, the battery will be fully charged until work is finished. So in the very night, which is like 10 o'clock in the night, the factory will be closed. And during this time, the load from the factory will gradually go down, and our battery will be take the load of the factory, like here. It's gradually going down until everything is being shut down, and the battery takes the extra load from the living area. So this is the overall operation time for 1 day. And besides that, there has 2 special cases for the factory, like this one, which is the system losing power. Like here, everybody remember the red line is for the steam turbine. And once steam turbine meets some error or meets some trouble, the load will be going down. And once the load is lower than what factory needs, the battery will take the gap from the steam turbine until steam turbine turn back the working status, and everything will be going to normal again. And the second status, which is occasionally load reason, because maybe some special case, the load from the factory will be increased and over the steam turbine's power. So once the load over the top power from the steam turbine, the battery will take the gap in between. And once the load will back to the normal status, our battery will back to the charging status again. So this is today's case here. Thanks for watching. See you in next video.